If you're doing a home training program that includes a lot of pressing, like push-ups or yoga movements, then this can lead to an imbalanced shoulder, which can cause pain or dysfunction. So, in our programs, like the One Up program, we include pulling motions. And we want to show you how to set up your rings in your house so that you can do exercises like ring rows safely from home. I have my ring and my strap. So I'm going to actually go ahead and secure the ring inside the strap, just as I would if I was attaching it to something, but I'm not attaching it to anything yet. When you're setting it up in your door, getting it a little closer to the ring is probably a better idea to start. I'm going to tie a knot in the strap. Make sure that knot is nice and tight. I'm going to strap this over the door, making sure the knot goes on the other side of the door, and close the door. Pull that nice and tight. And now I have a ring attached to a door. That is still adjustable because I left the adjustment side open, so if I need it shorter, just let that go nice and high. And just make sure that you don't, like that, drop your ring on the door and take a big chunk out of your door. Pulling motions like ring rows are important because they strengthen the back of the shoulder and the muscles of the back. If you're only doing pressing motions, then you're only strengthening the front of the shoulders and the muscles on the front of your core. That can lead to bad posture, dysfunction of the shoulder, and possibly pain. So I'm going to show you how to do the ring row so that you can prevent some of those things from happening. You're going to take your rings with our nice setup, our nice and new setup. The further you walk your feet forward, the harder this gets. So you get to set your own intensity. So this is what a ring row looks like. The keys here are pulling the shoulder blades back as you pull, and also, more importantly, never letting the shoulders drift up towards the ears. So I'm pulling the shoulders away from the ears, and then as I pull, the shoulder blades come back, opening the chest and lowering slowly. Try those out for shoulder health. Now you know how to set up your rings in a door. If you want a well-rounded program to help you move more confidently, check out the One Up program in the description box below. Like and subscribe, and as always, pain sucks, life shouldn't. We on?
Yes, we are.
I didn't even mean to do that. I was trying to stop it before it. It's ridiculous. It's so easy to say. I can say it to a client.